In this video, I'll show you how to share or cast your Android mobile screen to your PC step by step, using built-in features, without installing any third-party apps. First, let's start on your computer. On your PC, open the Settings app, then click on System. Scroll down through the system options until you find Projecting to this PC, and select it. When this page opens, you may see a message telling you that the wireless display optional feature needs to be installed before you can project to this PC. If that message appears, click on Optional Features, then select View Features at the top. Now, in the search box, type Wireless Display. Once it appears in the list, select it and click Add. Windows will begin installing the feature, which may take a few moments. Just wait until the installation finishes. After it's done, go back to System and open Projecting to this PC again. For the first option, choose Available Everywhere, so your PC can be detected by nearby devices. The remaining options are optional and can be left at their default settings. At this point, your PC is fully set up and ready to receive a screencast. Next, move over to your Android phone. Swipe down from the top of the screen to open the Quick Settings panel. If you're using a Samsung phone, look for Smart View. On other Android devices, the option may be called Screencast, Cast Screen, or Wireless Display. The name can vary depending on your phone brand, but the process works the same way. Before connecting, make sure that both your Android phone and your PC are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is very important, otherwise your PC will not show up in the list. Once you confirm that, tap the screencasting option on your phone. Your PC's name should now appear in the Available Devices list. Tap on your PC's name, then tap Start or Connect when prompted. On your computer, a pop-up notification will appear asking you to allow the connection. Click OK or Accept to continue. Within a few seconds, your Android phone screen will start displaying on your PC. You'll now be able to see everything from your phone in real time, including apps, settings, videos, and notifications directly on your computer screen. And that's how you share or cast your Android mobile screen to a PC using built-in wireless display features. If you're casting your screen or using public or shared Wi-Fi networks, it's smart to protect your connection. For extra privacy and security, you can use NordVPN. Use the link in the description to try NordVPN risk-free at a great price.